Hello, classmates. In this class, let's learn about the signal-to-noise ratio in interface design. Have you ever heard of the signal-to-noise ratio? According to the explanation on Baidu Encyclopedia, the signal-to-noise ratio refers to the ratio of relevant information to irrelevant information in the communication process. A too low signal-to-noise ratio will affect the efficiency of users in obtaining information. This concept was originally generated in the signal transmission process of electronic devices. Similarly, there is also the concept of the signal-to-noise ratio in design. The signal refers to useful information, and the noise refers to useless or interfering information. In interface design, the information in the design of the left page is quite messy, and the dividing lines, separators, and guiding arrows are too prominent. It is very difficult to highlight the key information on the page, while the information classification on the right page is clear. An excellent interface should weaken or delete the useless noise to make the useful signals stand out. So how to improve the signal-to-noise ratio? It can be analyzed from two aspects. One is to maximize the signal. The other is to minimize the noise. Maximizing the signal means presenting information in a concise way. A simple design will bring a minimal efficiency load, allowing users to focus on the information itself. Just like the transformation from skeuomorphic icons to flat icons is a process of increasing the signal. For example, the camera icon has changed from a camera lens to a front view of a complete camera, which greatly improves the recognition degree. It enables users to obtain effective information more quickly and accurately. And this process is a typical case of amplifying the signal, minimizing the noise. Commonly, in page design, if the dividing lines, separators, and auxiliary colors are too prominent, they will interfere with the main content. By reducing or removing the dividing lines and removing unnecessary information, users can be free from interference. In short, in interface design, the signal-to-noise ratio should be improved, important information should be highlighted, the hierarchical relationship should be paid attention to, and the theme should be emphasized.
Let's complete the home page interface design of the Home Furnishing app. Use Adobe Photoshop software to carry out the interface layout design for the software interface, as well as the already made icons and pictures. First, we open Adobe Photoshop software and create a new canvas with a size of 1125 multiplied by 4550. The first step is to import the previously made top navigation bar into the canvas. Adjust the layer style to color overlay, set the color to black. Then use the selection tool. Select the layer and drag it with the mouse to adjust its position. Then create a layer group for the status bar, and move the status bar into the layer group. The second step is to create a layer group for the banner. Use the rounded rectangle tool and click on the canvas. Create a rounded rectangular frame with a size of 1166 multiplied by 560 and adjust its position. Then import the banner icon we made. Use the Ctrl plus Altitude plus J key to adjust the layer to a clipping mask. The third step is to create a layer group for the search box, and use the rounded rectangle tool to draw a rectangular frame within the guidelines. Click on the color and adjust the value to F6, F6, F6. Use the text tool. To input the text, search for the home you like and adjust the color. Then import the search icon and adjust it. The fourth step is to create a layer group for the categories. Import the category icons and adjust their positions. The layout tool above can help us with the position adjustment. Then use the text tool to input the names of the icons below each icon, respectively, with the text tool. The fifth step is to create a layer group for banner 2. Use the rounded rectangle tool to draw a rounded rectangular frame with a size of 1066 multiplied by 280. Import the picture we need and create a clipping mask. The sixth step is to use the rounded rectangle tool to draw a rounded rectangular frame with a size of 8 multiplied by 53 pixels and insert text behind it. Create a rounded rectangle with a size of 240 multiplied by 240 and copy 4 of them. Then import the 4 pictures we need and create corresponding clipping masks. Finally, insert text annotations in each picture. Create a layer group for buy and take home and put the layers of this area into it. The seventh step is to create a layer group for recommendations. Right-click on the rounded rectangle tool. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangular frame with a size of 1125 multiplied by 1036. Then create a rounded rectangle with a size of 280 pixels and a corner radius of 40 pixels. Adjust the layer style to gradient overlay and adjust the colors at both ends of the gradient. Then adjust the position of the rounded rectangle and add text annotations. Then select it, hold down the Alt key and drag to copy it. Then adjust the layer style of the copied rounded rectangle to stroke and adjust the font color. Then draw a rounded rectangle with a size of 1071 multiplied by 760 and adjust the gradient color. Use the text tool to draw a text area and insert text. Next, draw a rounded rectangle with a size of 300 multiplied by 440 and a rounded rectangle with a size of 300 multiplied by 110. Set the corner radii of the latter rounded rectangle to 0 and adjust its position. Then insert the product name and the product price. Then copy 2 sets of them and adjust the text content. Then import the corresponding product pictures, adjust their sizes and positions, and create corresponding clipping masks. The 8th step is to create the 8th layer group. Then copy the buy and take home part above and adjust the text. Create a rectangular frame with a size of 240 multiplied by 240. Then insert the product information behind it and draw a purchase button. Select and copy 2 sets of them, adjust the product information. Then insert the product pictures, adjust their sizes and positions, and create clipping masks. The 9th step is to create a new layer group and draw a rectangular strip with a size of 1125 multiplied by 8 pixels. Then import the icons and icon names we made and adjust their colors and positions. In this way, the homepage interface design of the home furnishing app is completed. Goodbye, classmates.